Hello everyone. So today I'm going to work on save game function. So now as you can see here, save and load. Now as you can see here, the water level is 0. So when I drink water, now it's half filled. Right? Now let's go here and sleep. So when I sleep, the game will be saved. You will see the notification soon. Game saved. Alright, now I stopped the game, and when I load the game next time, you can see the water level is already half filled. So that means our save game and loading function is working. So just to show that, if I drink again, now it's fully filled. The water level is full now, and if I sleep here again, game is saved again. Right, and now if I play the game again, now you can see the water level is full, so from the previous save game. Alright, so that's the part I'm going to work on today. Actually, first I'm going to work on the save part, and in the next part I'm going to work on the loading part. And this episode is sponsored by these generous patrons. Thank you very much for the support you guys are giving me. Okay, so first in order to save the game, I want to create the save game function somewhere. So what's the best place to do that? I think it would be better to implement save game in game instance. Yeah, so do we have a game instance? I don't think I do. Yeah, I have a game mode but not a game instance, and we can see the game instance here. So if you don't know what game instance is, yeah, it's the default one. So game instance is basically persistent throughout the life of the game. That means even if you load another level, that will persist. So you can keep stuff like variables like health, ammo count stuff. If you want to make them persistent between levels, you can use game instance for that. That's a one way to do it. So, and therefore, because of those properties, I'm gonna use game instance to implement save game function. Where is game instance? So in order to make a custom game instance, we have to create a child blueprint using this game instance. Okay, instance code like me. Okay, now in order to use this game instance, now I have to set the game instance as this custom game instance I just created. Now we can close the settings. Okay, and now here let's create another interface. Not a class, interface, to communicate with the game instance. I'll call it PPI game instance. Right, now the first function is save game, and as you have assumed, next function would be load game, but let's first implement save game. Okay, now here I'm going to implement that interface like this, PPI game instance in the code like me game instance object. Now save game. Event save game like this. So here now we need some class to hold the data that we need to save. So let's first take a look at our character and see what are the variables we want to save. So this basically these character properties: health, hydration and hunger for now. Later on we will need some other stuff as we implement the game. So for now this is all. So as I have named this as character properties, let's go here and create another blueprint class as a child object of save game. Sv character properties. Okay, now here we need to save health, hydration and hunger. I'm going to use the same set of variables. Health, well, if we have a structure to hold this character data, that would be convenient. Let's see if we can do that. But let's just go with this way, because if I use a structure, then it's somewhat harder to find for references and debug, a little harder. So let's go with this way. Right, so health, hydration and hunger, those are the variables. Right, now in the character, what are the interfaces we have implemented? BPI character. Right, now here I'll add a function get character properties, and as the return type I'm gonna give sv character properties. Right, now here we have this update get character properties like this. Now here can we make one? No, let's promote this to a local variable ch properties, right, and then get ch properties set health and set hydration and set hunger. Okay, now let's connect them like this. Now we can drag and drop the health value here, hydration, hunger, like this. Okay, now when I'm asked to save the game, in the game instance here as an input I'm gonna get a save game object, sv character properties subject, like this, and then in here save game to slot, and the slot name, what should I call? Well, for now I'll just use ch. For now I'll just give character maybe we should promote this to a variable. Let's call it save slot, because when we load the game also we need this, like right, and we don't have to worry about this user index or anything for now. Okay, now in order to save, let me open this blueprint, and this is where we sleep, and when sleep I'll call no, get game instance save game. So we have to give the character properties here, and we have this interacting actor. This would be the player character also, so therefore it's not necessary to use it like that. So get player character. Oh wait, maybe we shouldn't expose this variable here. Let's remove this, and then in here I'll disconnect this and get player character, so we can encapsulate those details inside this save game function. Get character data, character properties, and then we can do is valid test, because maybe if we try to call this function when we don't have active character that has implemented this interface, we can have an error. So therefore first I'll check if this is valid. If yes, like this. Oh, why does it call new parameter? Okay, all right. Now we call save game here, And also let's show some notification when you save the game. We can do that also here. Get hot, get player controller, get hot, show. Well, for now let's use instruction. Game saved for 2 seconds. Okay, now let's test and see if we get the notification. Also, if the game is successfully saved, we would have a save game object. Here there will be a save games folder, and inside that there will be a save game object. So for now there are no save games folder, so let's play and see if the game saves. Oh, I got some errors. Sorry, this is not a structure, so therefore we can't just use it like this. So okay, this is the way we should do it. Let's create a variable, character properties. No, 𝐒𝐶H properties. Then this should be SV character properties type, and let's first can do is valid. Here is valid, check here. If yes, just go ahead and use it. Otherwise, if not, create save game object using the class SV character properties, and then set like this, then use it. So now when I use get character properties, here we can, as an input, we can pass character properties like this. Okay, we can pass by reference. No, let's just do it. Let's not complicate this. And then yeah, we have this. So let's use it like this. Alright, let's see if that works without any errors. No. Sorry. Here I should give this reference. Wait, we should move this down a little bit. Right, now we got the game saved. Why did this guy stand up? This should be a looping montage. Okay, we can look into that later. Sorry, I haven't connected this. That's the issue. Right, now we got the save game notification. So we have save games folder and character properties save. Alright, so now the saving part complete, and the next part is how to load from this saved game. But I will do that part in another episode. So as always, the project files will be available through the Patreon page, and if you like to support my work, you can get the membership of the Patreon club. The link would be in the description below, and thanks for watching. See you in the next episode. Goodbye.